Hey, my Disney fans, welcome back to Quiz Slice. All right, today's challenge is a Save One song battle. Descendants versus the brand new Zombies 4. You've got one pick each round, and only the magical hits with the most love will survive. So choose wisely. Okay, ready to see if your favorites make it through? All right, which melody do you love more? Life is Sweeter or Dream Come True?
The sun shines a little more brightly when you take things a little more lightly. We just met, you know me, don't know it all just yet.
Which song hits you harder? Red or Don't Mess With Us?
Set it off, so berserk. Tonight I light it up. It's going down. Hey, come on.
Okay, which song would you crown the winner? Red Christmas or The Place to Be?
I'm a mood too, like I do, red coming through. Time to do it my way. To the light side, it's better on the bright.
If you're picking Red Christmas, smash that like button. But if it's The Place to Be, hit subscribe and drop a comment so we can see which one's more popular. Up next, finish the lyrics from The Place to Be.
A song my people don't hear. I see a future they can't. Does anybody understand?
Yep, you're awesome.
They can't. Does anybody understand?
Next one, which track steals your heart? If Only or Ain't No Doubt About It?
It was telling me, don't know what I'm feeling. Happily till forever.
When it comes to trust.
Save one, Queen of Mean or Kerosene?
It's showing this princess that I am the queen and my reign will be endless. We're running out of time. We gotta do this for the cause.
Which will you save? Chillin' Like a Villain or Show the World?
Yeah, once you catch this feeling, you'll be chillin'.
When you got a feeling, don't let nobody crush it.
All right, style time. Would you rather rock Uma's makeup style or slay it like Addison? Drop your pick in the comments. Let's see which one wins. Pick one, Get Your Hands Dirty or My Own Way.
Just jump head first into the mess. Gotta get your hands dirty. But I'm not one.
Which track gets your vote? Perfect Revenge or Possible?
It's revenge. Go find that perfect. Perfect.
Odds are stacked against.
Which jam do you pick? What's My Name or Someday?
Nothing yet.
Tell them who's in charge so they don't forget. What's my name?
Someday, this could be autumn.
Which will you save? Good to be bad, or like the zombies do?
It's good to be bad, and we're proof of it. Used to be.
Stand up, stand up, stand up straight. Do your homework. Smiling.
Another challenge for you. Who's the real Zed? Boom! It's B. That's the real Zed with his iconic hair color.
Be the best. Tried to be a star. Thought I'd reach the top, but I'm a little far. Seabrooks football.
Which song do you prefer? One Kiss or Together as One?
Hey, step right up. If you wanna go, it's going. It's one kiss. Oh, one kiss.
Only one survives. Love Ain't It or Flesh and Bone?
What did they ever do to you?
Fred, what are you arguing for?
I don't speak.
Gotta step in, no more maybes, and stop the demolition. Is it hope?
Which song do you like more? Did I Mention or Come On Out?
Gotta rock my world like it's never been rocked, and now I'm living just for her.
Yeah, you can run, run like the wind. Call your mommy ship.
Save one. My Once Upon a Time or The New Kid in Town?
Your father's fairy tale. And
I met somebody knowing I'm excited. Gotta spit it out 'cause I can't hide it.
Pick one. Night Falls or Alien Invasion?
left and the rest of you can follow me. This is my crew. Falling from the stars. A distant.
Which do you prefer? It's Going Down or Bam?
It's the one for the crown. If you don't, it's going down.
Oh man, you a fan. Understand this is zombie.
Now let's see if you can tap the correct eyes of Zed. How many tries did you need? Drop your answer in the comments. Be honest, friends. Which song do you like more? Rotten to the Core or My Year?
Say I'm trouble. They say I'm bad. They say I'm.
Watch it come to.
Save one. Ways to be Wicked or I'm Finally Me?
Voices, then let's get it activated.
Finally me, I'm gonna shout it out. What's lost?
Save one. Queen of Me or Exceptional Zed?
The queen.
So I just gotta forget the doubts and get up at them.
Which will you save? Perfect Revenge or More Than a Mystery?
Fierce, I'm feared. You know I'm the baddest here. Pull up with my crew.
Hey, is there anyone out there? I'm trying to find where I can finally.
can you spot the 3 hidden differences between these 2 pictures? Yes, there are 3 subtle changes. Choose one. Chillin' like a villain or we got this.
Something you can really trust. Everybody.
We got this. Come on. Teaming up to make our
Only one can stay. Rotten to the core or nothing but love.
Nothing but love for you. Love for
Which track gets your vote? Be Our Guest or Utopia?
Be our guest, put our service to the
Which will you save? Back to Beautiful or Dancing with the Stars?
starting wars over who can hurt who more. What we all know, we own the night.
Before we wrap things up, let's hear it. How would you rate the movie?
And ruthless. He's just green and clueless.
Thank you. Yes, wait.
Drop your score in the comments and let's compare. All right, that's a wrap for today's quiz. Thanks a bunch for playing along with us here on Quiz Slice. If you had fun, smash that like button, subscribe for more crazy challenges, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.